Hi friend, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra and welcome to Conceptual Orthopedics. When I look at the ligament that connects the femur to tibia, the anterior cruciate ligament, it is one of the very important ligaments of the human knee, and it has got two bundles, the anteromedial and the posterolateral. In fact, in different positions of the knee, these bundles are providing the stability. The anteromedial bundle works in a flexed knee, whereas the posterolateral bundle works better in the extended knee. When you look at the functions of ACL, you must remember that it prevents the anterior translation of tibia on the femur and or the posterior translation of the femur on the tibia. Also remember, anterior cruciate ligament, since its direction goes from the femur to the tibia down and medial, that's why since it's bridging the joint, it is damaged by the rotational injuries, and the rotational injuries of the knee, they always will damage the knee in a flexed knee. So ACL will be damaged when there's a flexion in the knee along with rotation. Now there are structures which are damaged on this movement. One is the ACL, second is the meniscus. But when along with the flexion and rotation there's a valgus force, because the ACL fibers they go more medially, it is damaged, it's torn. In an acute ACL injury, somehow you have an association of the lateral meniscus tears, whereas in a chronic ACL injury, there is a damage of the medial meniscus. So remember, ACL. When I look at the test for ACL injury, there will be a presentation that is immediate swelling, unlike the meniscal swellings which are the next day. There will be, because of effusion in the knee or hemarthrosis in the knee, there will be a patellar tap present. In an acutely injured knee, because the full flexion is not possible in the knee, if you just flex it to 20 degrees, you can perform the Latchman test. Whereas in the 90-degree flexion, you can do an anterior draw test, where you try to translate the tibia with relation to the femur. There is a test to find out maybe an intact but non-functional ACL called as a Lely's test. And then you have a test for the anterolateral corner of the knee, which also has ACL into it, the pivot shift test. So these are the tests that you must remember. But remember one thing, which I remember from the questions point of view or the examiner point of view, it is the posterolateral fiber that works in extension. Anterior cruciate ligament is one of the most commonly reconstructed ligament of the knee joint, and the most commonly done procedure for ACL reconstruction is arthroscopic ACL reconstruction by the graft of STG semitendinosus and gracilis. Thank you very much.